Miss Lily, why did the volcano erupt?
Let me explain. Beneath us is a layer of molten rock.
Molten rock? Really? That's called magma.
It looks like lava.
Magma is pressed by immense pressure.
What happens if it's pressed so hard?
The gas inside increases and wants to escape.
Like an overloaded boiling pot.
When the crust cracks, that's an escape route.
And magma will come up.
The pressure builds up to the point it can't hold it anymore.
It's about to erupt.
And then it erupts into the sky.
That's powerful, miss.
Lava is magma when it overflows.
Terribly hot.
Ash and dust are blown high up.
Like a giant cloud.
Volcanoes appear frequently at plate boundaries.
Because the ground is compressed and cracked.
Down there, it's always moving ceaselessly.
Like a giant mixer.
So when the pressure is gone, it stops? Yes, it's just a temporary rest.
In summary, pressure, wood crack, magma erupts.
Super easy to remember formula.
Now I understand why volcanoes erupt.
Geological knowledge is very interesting.